Hey kids, welcome to Doodle with Fatima. That bananas. Are you ready to color with me? Let's get started. Let's start coloring this banana with yellow color. We'll make his mouth red and black. We'll make the banana peeling yellow and orange. Let's color the grapes bright pink. Let's color the strawberry red and green. Let's color the cherries red and brown. Let's color the eyes bright pink. Let's color the strawberry green and red, black eyes and yellow mouth. Let's make the eyes blue and mouth red. Let's color the juice bright pink. I think this is a grape juice. Do you like grape juice? Tell me in the comment below. Let's color the straw red and the bottle green. Let's color this juice mixture blue and brown. I am coloring his mustache black. I am coloring this juice red color. I think this is a watermelon juice. Do you drink watermelon juice? Tell me in the comment below. Let's color this juice mixture blue and brown. Did you see any pineapple in this page? Here it is. Let's color it green and yellow. Coloring the bubbles red color. Let's color this bright pink. Everything looks so delicious. Yummy. I need them. Let's color the name dash in red color and bananas in yellow and orange. That's bananas. They already look delicious. So what did we color today? We colored bananas, strawberries, cherries, pineapple, grape juice and watermelon juice. See you in the next video. Thank you and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my future updates. Bye bye.